Hello students, today I am going to discuss next topic of the chapter motion along a straight line, that is distance and displacement. Distance, then displacement this side. This topic we have learned in ninth also. In ninth also, and all of you know, both are the length. Both are the length. सबसे पहली चीज तो यह है कि दोनों क्या हैं? Both are length. दोनों लेंथ है किसी पाथ की, जो डिस्टेंस जो मूव्ड है मोशन का, उसका ये दोनों के दोनों क्या है? लेंथ है. Both are the lengths. Second thing is what? दोनों both have SI unit meter. SI unit दोनों क्या है? मीटर है. Both are length and both have SI unit meter, otherwise centimeter, kilometer, light year. All these are the unit of lengths. अब आते हैं ये होता क्या है distance. Suppose children, you have taken two positions A and B. And you can go from A to B via this path. It's a road. It's a road. There is a possibility there is another road to go to B. Maybe like this. Here path 1, here path 2. From A to B there are two paths. And the length of both the paths are different. It has smaller, it has bigger path. ठीक है? Then distance define करते हैं. Whatever path is taken during motion, whatever path is taken during motion, length of that path is called distance traveled. Then this is the actual length of the path. Actual length of the path taken during motion is called distance. तो जो भी पाथ अडॉप्ट किया है उस पाथ की जो लेंथ है दैट इज कॉल्ड द डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड. गॉट इट? ओके. आइए हम आते हैं डिस्प्लेसमेंट पे. यहां पे चिल्ड्रन सी हियर, आई हैव टेकन दिस पाथ 1, दिस पाथ 2. ओके, आउट ऑफ these two paths there is one more distance. This one, this one, this one. It's straight. Whatever is in between doesn't matter. बट ये क्या है? A और B के बीच की सबसे छोटी लेंथ है, स्मॉलेस्ट डिस्टेंस. Shortest distance between final and initial position. Final and initial position is displacement. Is displacement. Final means B. Initial means A. इसके बीच जो सबसे छोटी डिस्टेंस है दैट इज कॉल्ड द डिस्प्लेसमेंट. सपोज यहां पे कोई माउंटेन आ गया, कोई नदी आ गई, फिर भी आई विल टेक ओनली दिस स्मॉलेस्ट पाथ. ऐसा नहीं कि हम एक छोटा रास्ता लेकर जाए तो दैट छोटा रास्ता इज कॉल्ड डिस्प्लेसमेंट. नो, स्ट्रेट शॉर्टेस्ट मिनिमम डिस्टेंस, शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ बिटवीन फाइनल and initial position is called displacement. और ये क्या है? जो भी रास्ता अडॉप्ट किया है, छोटा बड़ा whatever, displacement is also distance, but that is what? Shortest. Okay, next one is what? Yes, it's also very important, children. See, distance is a scalar quantity. Distance is what? A scalar. Means it has only magnitude. only magnitude, no direction. But displacement has direction. It is vector quantity. It has magnitude plus direction. It has both. It means what? Scalar hai. Means what? If object is in motion, then distance is only positive. Only positive. Distance is always positive if object is in motion. If object is not in motion, then why will calculate distance? No need. If object is in motion, it will cover some length, some path, and path length is called distance. But here, in the case of displacement, it has direction as well as magnitude. Direction means what? If from starting point, movement is towards right, positive, towards left, negative, means displacement can be positive, can be negative, and can be zero. I will discuss these cases when it is positive, when negative, and when zero by taking an example. तो क्या सीख लिया? लेंथ दोनों है, मीटर, एक्चुअल लेंथ, स्केलर एंड पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव. Okay. Distance is, it's also very important. Distance is either greater than displacement, greater than displacement, or equal to displacement. या तो बड़ा होगा या फिर इक्वल होगा. डिस्टेंस कैन नेवर बी स्मॉलर देन डिस्प्लेसमेंट. मतलब क्या हो गया? जो डिस्टेंस है इट इज ग्रेटर देन डिस्प्लेसमेंट. इसको आप यू कैन राइट मैग्नीट्यूड. एक्चुअली डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू डिस्प्लेसमेंट. बट ये मैं लिख दूं अगर डिस्टेंस इज स्मॉलर देन डिस्प्लेसमेंट, नॉट पॉसिबल. तो आप इसको एक साथ लिख सकते हैं. कैसे? आइदर ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू. यहां पर मैं इसी को उल्टा लिख देता हूं. मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट is either smaller than or equal to distance. Means displacement can never be greater than distance. या तो बराबर होगा या फिर छोटा होगा. Okay? So that note down till here. Then I will discuss this case by taking an example. Okay? An example of distance and displacement. I'll discuss example on number line. It's a 0, 5, 10, 15, let it meter, and left side negative numbers, -5, -10, -15. Now set the locations. Let it is O, P, Q, M, N. There are some locations. Now take some cases first. O to P. It's a straight line. Number line. I will calculate distance from O to P. That is O to P, 10 meter. See diagram. And displacement. Same straight line. Same 10 meter. आपने यहाँ पे क्या देखा? Distance is equal to magnitude of displacement. First case. Second, we'll take P2M. P2M. Distance क्या होता है? This is the length of actual length of the path. So distance is first P to O, O to M. Only length लेना है. It's the scalar quantity PO. PO is 10. See diagram carefully. And OM is also 10. Only length लेना है. 20 meter. And displacement is what, children? Displacement final minus initial. Final minus initial. Final minus initial. Final is M. Position of M. Minus P. I think what is the position of M? M is here, minus 10. And O is plus 10. तो कितना आ गया? minus 10 minus 10. It will be what? Minus 20 meter. Here देखिए, distance is 20 meter and displacement is 20 meter. Here also distance is equal to magnitude of displacement. Actually displacement is negative, ये तो है, but अगर हम दे number shift magnitude once again equal. तो एक तो क्लियर हो गया कि displacement can be positive, can be also negative. Third case ले लेते हैं children. Listen carefully. O to N and N to O. O to N, N to O. तो आते फिर से find distance, length of the path. O to N, that is ON plus NO. NO. O to N means what? Only length लेना है 15 plus 15. 30 meters written. And what about displacement? Displacement it means final minus initial. Final means O, जहां से चले थे. Initial means यहीं पे आ गए. 0 minus 0 0. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? Displacement 0 हो गया. Means displacement can also be 0. तो हमने क्या देख लिया? Displacement can be positive where it is पॉजिटिव हो सकता है डिस्प्लेसमेंट, नेगेटिव हो सकता है डिस्प्लेसमेंट और 0 हो सकता है डिस्प्लेसमेंट. एंड कहीं भी देख लीजिए डिस्टेंस कहीं भी डिस्प्लेसमेंट से छोटा नहीं है. तो ये तो हो गया कि डिस्प्लेसमेंट कैन बी 0, पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव. एंड वन थिंग मोर, डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज ऑलवेज स्मॉलर देन या फिर इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस. ये भी मिल गया. ओके, आई टोल्ड यू कि डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. इज अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. तो अगर मैं ऐसा एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर दूं एंड लेट इट इज ओरिजिन. क्या है? ओरिजिन. टेक ओरिजिन एज अ रेफरेंस पॉइंट और स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. Starting point. From starting point, if movement is towards right, then displacement is positive. Not from origin, from any starting point. From any starting point, if movement is toward right, positive, and towards left, negative. and in this direction positive, here negative. Okay, means डायरेक्शन के बेस पे डिस्प्लेसमेंट कैन बी नेगेटिव, कैन बी पॉजिटिव. Okay, children. In the next lecture, I will discuss the speed and velocity. Till here, try to understand concept and